Hello traders, welcome back to the video. So one of you was on my DM telling me to do a top-down analysis on multiple pair using Claude. And I've made a video previously that I mentioned that you can actually do that. Now, if you use the GitHub repo that I share with you to install the TradingView Claude MCP, then that gives you two options, right? Number one is that you can come in here and type /trade and dash analysis dash output, and it goes ahead and analyze a particular pair for you, right? That's what this particular skill does. But here we can still type in a detailed prompt asking Claude to do top-down analysis on multiple pairs for us, and it will go ahead and do that. And that is exactly what I want to show you in this video. I was supposed to use the latest model, which is 𝗕𝗲𝗡, but currently it is unavailable. I don't know the reason for this. This is supposed to be available on my Pro subscription until 22nd of June, but right now it's not available. So we're going to use the Opus 4.8, which is the second to the 𝗕𝗲𝗡. So we just go ahead and paste in this prompt right here. And I'm going to make this prompt available for you if you are interested. Okay, so the rule we have given Claude the rule, and then we'll give you the task, and that task is to analyze the following trading pairs, which is BTC, Doge, Link, 𝗥𝗘𝗙 Litecoin, Useless, and Ape. And then the analysis framework, we went ahead to specify all of this. Top-down analysis means analyzing multiple time frames, right? So that's exactly what we are asking Claude to do. So it starts from the weekly, it moves to the daily, to the 4 hours, 1 hour, and then down to the 15 minutes. And then what it's going to do is to identify market structure, higher highs, higher lows, lower highs and lower lows and all of that. Then trend direction per time frame, and then key shift. We're talking about break of structure, change of character, internal versus external structures. These are all of the things that Claude is going to look at. And we're equally looking at key levels and then liquidity levels. This everything I specified everything right here. And all I need to do, if I will leave this prompt available for you, and then final instruction is to score them from 1 to 10 based on confidence, and then explain the reason behind the score. So we'll just go ahead and click on enter. That is, I have TradingView open on one side, and then the Claude desktop application open on the other side. So here it says that I will use TradingView MCP skill to drive the live chart. So the same TradingView MCP that you can use to scan or analyze pair one after the other using that particular / command is the same pair. Look at it, it has changed automatically. So we were on the go chart, right? You saw it, we were on the go chart, and now it has changed to BTC right here, and it's taking BTC from Binance, and I would have specified it. Now we just move from the 1 hour time frame we're looking at to the weekly time frame, as you can see right here. So I would have specified it to use, or I would have asked it to use from our watch list. Then our watch list will now be based on the pairs, the exchange we have used. But let's just see what is going on. So you will see it's going to do all of this automatically, draw the levels. Now it's done with the weekly time frame, is going down to the daily time frame for BTC. After BTC is going to go to the next pair, and Claude can do all of this and give you feedback. It's going to let you know if you are going to take a long trade, a short trade, and all of that, right? Now, for this to work, while that is ongoing, currently we're on the 4 hours time frame. You're seeing everything changing on my chart without me doing anything. We are down to the 1 hour time frame, and it will go on. Now, for this to work for you, you need to have Claude connected to your TradingView account. So you need to have Claude connected to your TradingView account. And few things that you need a paid account with Claude, right? The $20 subscription can get you started. Just that you'll be limited. And then if you need more, you need to go. And I think we are done with BTC. Yes, we are done with BTC. Currently, we are on Dogecoin, as you can see right here. So connected and all of that. BTC done right here. Now Doge, and then using TradingView chart, set time frame, and all of that. So it's going to do all of this for us one after the other. So back to what you need TradingView. You need a paid account with TradingView for this to work, and then you need a paid account with Claude. Claude will cost around $20 if you are going to pay monthly. But if you are going to pay for a yearly subscription, you can pay about $17 per month. And it goes on. Then TradingView is about approximately $15 a month. But if you are paying yearly, I think you get a discount. And if you use the link in the video description, you get $15. That means you are getting your first 1 month with TradingView for free. So you subscribe for 1 month, and then you can use TradingView for 2 months. The link in the video description can give you $15 for that. And those are the two things you need. And you can use it to do all of this. And the next thing you need is the connection, the code to connect, or the instruction to be able to connect Claude Code to TradingView. And I'll make that available for you in my Telegram platform. So once you go to Telegram, just check out the pin message there, and you'll be able to see the link to the repo where you can actually clone this particular MCP that we're using, and you'll be able to now start using it to do top-down analysis. You can use it to do anything. And thankfully, Bybit has actually created, given opportunity to create an AI sub account where you can use your AI agent and start automating trades. I'm making a video about that, and that video will be coming very soon. So currently we are done with Link. Okay, we are done with which one again? I think Jelly. Okay, we are done with Jelly. We are currently on Litecoin. Litecoin is the one that the market is currently analyzing. So we're done with BTC, Doge, and then Link and Jelly. Now is Litecoin. And let's see the outcome, what we're going to get from this. And I'll just let you know. So you can actually use TradingView. You can use Claude and TradingView to do all of this. I'm not doing anything. Now, if I was to do this, it's going to actually take me time because I need to do it one after the other. But with the use of AI, it doesn't take that much time, right? As this is going to take us maybe less than 5 minutes or thereabout, and all of these pairs that I've given it will be analyzed, and we'll get an outcome with a score whether to take a long trade on a particular pair or not. So let's see what happened. Okay, now we are on useless. I think this is the last pair. So we have BTC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the last pair. We gave it 6 pairs, right? To do analysis on. So this is the last pair that is analyzing. Let's see the outcome. Now, here is one thing that you need to note. For me, when I trade, I've already selected. I used 𝗕𝗙𝗙 actually to add all of the pairs on Bybit futures market when you're trading perpetual contract. All of those pairs that are valuable, they have added it to a watch list right here on my TradingView account. So I would have switched to that watch list and asked Claude to use that particular watch list, because right now he picked a particular pair from Binance and then another one from Coinbase. And then this particular AIM coin, he picked this one from Coinbase. And with this mark you're seeing here, with this sign right here, it means that this chart is not loading fully, right? So we may end up getting a different price based on, and then it went back to Chainlink, and Chainlink is on Binance. So if I'm going to trade on Bybit, I want the pair that I'm analyzing to be from Bybit. If I'm going to trade on Wix, I want the pairs that I'm analyzing to be from Wix. If I'm going to trade on Bitfinex, I want those pairs to be from that particular exchange. If it is BitGet, I don't want to be analyzing a Binance chart while I'm trading. Maybe it could be Binance spot chart on BTC, and then you're trading on BitGet, for instance, features. The price will be different, right? The prices and all of that could actually be different. So that's why I always use that. So there is an option too. If you have asked Claude to only analyze pairs from Bybit, perpetual contract, or from let's say from Binance, from BitGet, from Bitfinex, wherever it is, it will do that. But right here is picking randomly because we did not specify that. All right, so Claude is done with the analysis. As you can see, this is the market summary that we have for each pair. We have BTC. It has given us a brief summary right here, the Dogecoin, and it goes on. Then for APE as well. Then we have the trade setup for each. For Link, we are going to be taking a long trade. You can see the entering levels right there. And then you have the TP levels and stop loss right there. And then the risk to reward ratio, you see all of that. BTC is equally bullish. We are going to be buying anything around 65,800, 62, 66,200, and all of those details. Link to bullish, as you can see. And then for Dogecoin is equally bullish. And what else? Okay, so for the 6 pairs, these are the ones we are going to be trading. So Link, BTC, Litecoin, and Dogecoin. Those are the ones that Claude actually gave us setups for. And the remaining one, this Jelly, no high probability setup, distribution with chop stand aside. So Claude is asking not to stand aside, useless, no clean structure entering, and 2 extended for low risk long, no confirmed pullback yet. So watch for a hold above this particular price before considering avoiding and all of that. Then APE, no high probability setup, mid-range, dead volume. That's basically it, right? So as you can see, that's basically it. Claude does all of this analysis for us. If you want to give it 10 pairs, 20 pairs, it can go ahead and give you all of those details. And if there is any reason, any need for you to enter a trade, whether it's short or a long trade, it goes ahead and give you that. And why we have all through long trade, you can see from the introductory part right here that the entire market just printed. You can, as at the time of making this, is when BTC, for those of you on Telegram, I asked you to, on Sunday evening or Sunday night or thereabout, I asked you to take a long trade on BTC when it just shoot off from 63 to 64. We took some trades, and as at the time of making this video, BTC is already sitting at 67K. So if you took some trades, then you can see the amount of money that has been added into the market, which is what Claude is actually specifying right here. And that is exactly what we get right here. So if I go ahead and expand my trading view, you can see right here, we can go from one time frame to another. So Claude is asking us to start buying right here from the particular entering levels that he gave us here for BTC. We're looking at buying from 65,800 to 66, from 66,200 down to 55,800. Those are the areas we're looking to buy, right? We're looking to buy, and then our stop loss will be somewhere there, and we'll start targeting from this area up there. And you can go from this to the next one, Litecoin, and then you go to Dogecoin and all of that. This is how you can do top-down analysis using Claude AI. And I'm going to be doing that again once the Fibbo model is available. Once the Fibbo model, but any of these models can actually work for you. Any of the models are available on Claude can work for you. Just that these other ones are a bit faster and they are more robust. So that is it. I hope this video is helpful. I hope you gain value from it. Go ahead and connect TradingView to Claude and start using it to ease the amount of time you spend doing analysis. And I bet you that 60 to 70% of the time, Claude will be right. I hope this video is helpful. If it is, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell to be the first to be notified whenever I publish new videos like this. And I'll see you guys in my next video.